हेलो वेलकम। क्या आप अपने बालों से परेशान हैं? यू आर फ्रस्ट्रेटेड बिकॉज ऑफ द हेयर फॉल और डू यू नो एनीबडी who is having hair fall problem? This Insta Live is about the hair fall and its a solution, which is very common in men and women. Hi, whoever has joined my Insta Live, I welcome each and every one of you. Thanks for joining. In today's Insta Live of 10 to 15 minutes, I'm going to cover hair fall and it's a very simple solutions. Hi, my name is Dr. M.K. Shivani. I'm a medical professional, nutrigenomics consultant and a lifestyle coach where my mission is to help, inspire and empower people to have a super healthy lifestyle with 3P, that is peak energy, peak health and peak productivity towards peace, progress and prosperity. Thanks for joining again. Whoever has joined new today, I welcome. And today, this Insta Live series is a continuation of 109 health hacks to have a super healthy lifestyle. So today I'm going to cover a topic. क्या आप आपके हेयर फॉल से परेशान हैं? Even if you are a male or you are a female, man or woman, hair fall is very very common. And ये जो है बहुत परेशान हो जाते हैं. And I know that कि ये हम समझ लेते हैं कि मेरे को बहुत स्ट्रेस है इसीलिए हेयर फॉल हो रहा है, which is true. But you have to find out the solution. Then you figure out कि अरे मुझे ये हेयर फॉल है because बहुत सारे reasons होते हैं. Yes, you are worried about hair fall. So this Insta Live is for you. So let's understand कि क्या आप hair fall से परेशान है. Definitely. Do you discuss your hair fall with anyone? No, you don't discuss, because especially male people, they get a complex that if I tell somebody that I'm having a hair fall, everybody will start teasing me कि आप बहुत जल्दी बूढ़ी हो रहे हैं. And because of that complexity problem, they try to see many remedies which is from any other means and not from the expert. So let's understand what are the common causes of hair fall. Then I will tell you what you can do it, what you are doing wrong. So let's understand the common is definitely there is a fungal infection because you go out or you take frequent hair bath and then you don't wash your head properly because of the too much of wet here and frequent use of hair dryer. There is a little fungal infection and it goes, first sign is there is itching, then there is a dandruff. Then you try some other remedies using of different shampoos and it is not getting controlled. Definitely because of this dryness there is a hair fall. Then stress also is one of the reason. Then there are some hormonals like in thyroid or menopausal in women there is a hair fall. Again because of the aging over 50 definitely there is a hair fall, but it should not be more. And about the hair, when hair is growing there are three phases. First is कुछ बाल जो होते हैं आपके वो ग्रोथ मोड में होते हैं, कुछ जो बाल होते हैं anyway 1 to 2% वैसे भी गिरने वाले. बट इफ योर हेयर फॉल इज मोर देन 1%, एक दो बाल गिर रहे हैं तो कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है. सो यू अंडरस्टैंड देयर आर थ्री फेजेस ऑफ द हेयर फॉल. वन इज ग्रोथ फेज कि आपके कुछ बाल तो 80% तो बढ़ने वाले ग्रोथ फेज में है, 1-2% गिरने वाले हैं, बाकी जो है रेस्ट पीरियड में है. रेस्ट पीरियड में मीन्स उनका रिन्यूअल हो रहा है. बट इफ यू फाइंड देयर इज नो ग्रोथ टू योर हेयर एंड योर healthy hair is not there and only hair fall, so it is a warning sign that you have to take a expert opinion about the hair fall. And मुझे पता है कि आपने क्या किया होगा. there is a special yoga for the hair fall. आपने कितने अंडे सर पे फोड़े होंगे, कितना ऑनियन ऑयल, दिस ऑयल ये भी ट्राई किया होगा. I know that because even I have done when I was also not feeling good to tell about, and I was also trying all दादी माँ के नुस्खे, ये शैम्पू वो शैम्पू, कड़ी पत्ता का पाउडर लेके, आंवला का पाउडर डाल के. If you have tried all methods and if you have not get the result, so you have to become aware that I have to try something new. But I listened from many of the customers, मैं तो थक गया, मैं तो थक गई कि बहुत सारा कर दिया, लेकिन अंडे फोड़ने से, ऑयल लगाने से कुछ नहीं होने वाला है. Let's try. Yes, you love your hairs. Definitely you have to love your hairs. That's so good. So I'm going to give a tip. But most important reason for the hair fall, do you know that you are just applying the external. Those external factors are affecting you for the hair fall. Your internal factor is stress that is affecting. But do you know that the most common reason for your hair fall is the protein deficiency. And your protein requirement, if you are of 60 kilo, your protein requirement is 60 grams of protein. But in our diet, even if you are having good diet, balanced diet, 3 times ब्रेकफास्ट ले रहे, लंच ले रहे, डिनर ले रहे, सैलड, सब्जी, सब कुछ अच्छा ले रहे, तो भी आपको ज्यादा से ज्यादा 25 से 35 ग्राम ही प्रोटीन मिलता है. नॉनवेज ले रहे तो 35. सो एनीवे देयर इज अ प्रोटीन डेफिशिएंसी. अब एक प्रोटीन डेफिशिएंसी से क्या सिर्फ हेयर फॉल होगा? नहीं, हेयर फॉल तो होगा ही. देयर आर सम अदर symptoms also protein deficiency से होगा, but the most common reason for the hair fall is the protein deficiency, and it does not happen in a day. It is a chronic and you will see the results after only 9 months. Any disease है आपका, जो भी हेल्थ इश्यू है, उसका सिम्टम 9 महीने पहले शुरू होता है. द वे बेबी कम्स आउट आफ्टर 9 months, तो वो सिम्टम्स पहले से ही होते हैं. सो लेट्स अंडरस्टैंड कि प्रोटीन डेफिशिएंसी, आई विल कम टू दैट लेटर. सो हम एक्सटर्नली हेयर फॉल रोकने के लिए क्या कर सकते हैं? फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल यू हैव टू यूज अ प्रॉपर कोम्ब. प्लास्टिक का कोम्ब नहीं तो वुडन का कोम्ब यूज कर दीजिए. एनीवे प्लास्टिक का यूज कर दीजिए, बट एटलीस्ट यू शुड हैव वन वुडन कोम्ब. दैट विल, व्हाट विल हैपन, इट विल नॉट टेयर ऑफ इजिली. वो आपको स्काल्प को भी मसाज करेगा. नो प्लास्टिक कोम्ब विल डू अ मसाज. हेयर मसाज इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. आपके स्काल्प को भी मसाज होना चाहिए. सो वुडन कोम्ब. एंड देन वेन एवर यू आर डूइंग ऑयलिंग, इट इज ऑलवेज रिकमेंडेड कि वंस इन अ वीक ऑयल कीजिए. इवन मेल पीपल ऑल्सो, वेन यू आर एट होम, नाइट को आप ऑयल मसाज कीजिए. वुडन जो कोम्ब होता है उसके ऊपर ऑयल के ड्रॉप्स डाल दीजिए और वो कोम्ब कर दीजिए वुडन कोम्ब से. सो क्या मसाज भी हो जाएगा. And then whenever you are taking bath, not for male you may be taking head bath every day. Female takes usually 2 to 3 times a week. So whenever you are taking head bath and you are having time, just cover your head. जो है ना कवर करना चाहिए. Then definitely you have to use massage. And here I would like to bring it to your notice, many people don't know how to use a proper shampoo. Whatever shampoo you are using, definitely if hair fall is there are variety of shampoos available, but go for a little natural source and trademark source of hair fall control. See, it is not कि hair fall रुक जाएगा आपका, लेकिन hair fall control हो जाएगा. Hair fall control shampoo, and I know definitely good shampoo which contains of energy component है. You can DM me for that. But a good use of hair fall control shampoo, you can use it. Any shampoo, whatever you are using, even if you are not using hair fall control shampoo for your normal cleaning, this is a tip for hair care, that you have to take shampoo in one vessel, add water into it, and उसको foam बना देना. Then you use that shampoo and just apply to the scalp. Because of the टाइम नहीं है, इसीलिए आप क्या कर रहे हैं, शैम्पू ले लेते हैं, पानी डाल देते हैं और ऐसा कर देते हैं. बट इट इज ओनली अप्लाइंग टू द एक्सटर्नल सरफेस, अंदर नहीं जाता है. सो टू proper optimization of the soap shampoo use, you have to use it and just scalp को मसाज करना 2-3 minutes. And then बाद में definitely conditioner is there. Then there are specific scalp tonics are there. Scalp tonic आपको scalp को भी अच्छा रखेगा. Scalp tonic is there. Now the most important is there, your diet should be of high fiber. पानी ज्यादा पीना है. हाइड्रेशन, बिकॉज ऑफ द डिहाइड्रेशन हेयर फॉल होता है, तो यू हैव टू कंपेंसेट विथ हैविंग गुड वाटर. यू कैन टेक अल्कलाइन वाटर, एज ऑलवेज आई से अबाउट दैट. डेफिनेटली द बैलेंस डाइट अबाउट द हाई फाइबर. नाउ most important tip for the hair fall, if you want a very quick results apart from this anda yoga and whatever you are doing, is you have to use all plant natural protein powder. You have to use a specific vitamin that is called vitamin B12 ka biotin, is for the growth of skin, hair and nails. So I recommend Neutralite, that is biotin cherry plus, which is a vitamin B specifically for the hair fall. Then definitely there is a inflammation. So inflammation control करने के लिए you always require a good fat. So if you want to control your hair fall, apart from the haircut tips I told, the good shampoo, the good massage, use of the comb, the hydration and the food, you have to use the all plant protein powder. Supplement, natural supplement of this vitamin B called biotin, and omega 3 fatty acid ka supplement. So with that, I am guaranteeing you, if you use it from next 45 days you will see that your hair fall is getting controlled, and by 90 days, 3 months, your hair fall will stop. With that, I'm completing my hair fall, which is the biggest problem but not to be ignored problem, and taking the expert opinion and take action. Now you have become aware, you make a decision that you are going to start taking care of your hair. Hair, it reflects your value. You know that it looks powerful. For female, I am talking about the Indian culture. The more long hair, it was seen that the more powerful you feel. If you have got a less hair for the female, you see that when you cut your hair, you feel less powerful. That is from my, what do you do to get white hair? So white hair definitely comes with the aging, and plus because of the vitamin deficiency. So because of the white hair, if you use a constant use of omega-3 and protein, you will see that white hair will be reduced. And to mask the white hair, definitely you can use a natural hair dye. Don't go for a ammonia based hair dye. You can go for a ammonia free hair dye. If that is bothering you and your work is there where you have been exposed to many people and that is become less, आपका confidence कम कर रहा है, and it is becoming very obvious that it is not looking good to your personality, you are looking little more aged than your age, then definitely you can do a hair dye. But constant use of, I have seen in personally, you cannot make out my age, but my white hair has stopped by constant use of protein and these supplements. So stay tuned for tomorrow's Insta Live. Welcome to this 109 health hacks to have a super healthy lifestyle. Like it, share it with one of the friends. I am uploading this video. Don't forget to sign off my YouTube channel. Thank you. Signing off for the day, Dr. M.K. Shivani.